Hello, kittens. My name is Seb, and I'm a cat. Meow. See? Frankly, the last few months have been hell for me. My humans have refused to leave my house, and I've been stuck with their mediocre company 24/7, and all this lounging about. That was supposed to be my job. And look at these bottles. Disgusting. So starting today, I'm making my escape. I stole an old MacBook from under the bed, and I'm making a break for it tonight. Wish me well. Okay, it was touch and go there for a second, but I'm out. I've shacked up at a local park with my trusty MacBook and some stolen Wi-Fi, and I'm going to use this internet thing of yours to make it on my own. I'll be building the greatest online empire the world has ever seen. One app, one game, one video at a time. And I'll be streaming it live on Twitch to show you humans just how it's done. And I swear to God that gotta go. Verbal.